Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of anxiety training. I'm really happy that you're here, and hopefully you have already passed the test in VIA and you know about your character strengths. If you don't, I have the link down below for you to do that, and you can still watch this video and then do the test, or you can do the test and then go back to the video as you wish. So I'm going to tell you what strengths are there. There are 24, and those are appreciation of beauty and excellence, bravery, creativity, curiosity, fairness, forgiveness, gratitude, honesty, hope, humility, humor, judgment, kindness, leadership, love of learning, perseverance, perspective, prudence, self-regulation, social intelligence, spirituality, teamwork, and zest. So let me describe some of them maybe in more detail. So for example, appreciation for beauty and excellence is when you really see the beauty in everyday life. You walk in the street and you actually see how beautiful the trees are, how beautiful some of the buildings are. You pay attention to details, you pay attention to craftsmanship, and you actually see it, whereas some people just pass by and they don't really pay attention to the beauty of the everyday life. Hope, I think, is rather straightforward, but okay, let's discuss this one a little bit. So hope is you having hope, you having this belief that everything will be all right. You're hoping for the better, no matter how hard things are. By the way, something that is very, very important right now. And it is present in every person. Don't get me wrong. All of these character strengths are in every person, but in different degrees. So in different intensity. That's why we are taking only top 3, and we are talking about them because some of the other ones are less developed, and for you, leading with them is going to be harder when with the top 3. So my top 3 strengths are perspective, love of learning, and kindness. So we are only talking about the strength number 1, so the top strength today. And I hope that you will get more understanding on how to lead with it by the end of today's session. So for me, it's perspective. And perspective is being able to look at things at a different angle, to be able to think abstractly about something, so to be able to sort of be a third person in some situations. And it is very important for me, as I'm a teacher and a life coach. Otherwise I will be more involved in my students and clients situations, whereas I can actually distance myself from it a little bit and provide a different angle, a different perspective for whoever wants this. And let's take the situation. Okay, let's say, for example, you have less work at the moment. A lot of you guys actually do have less work. Some of you have more, I understand this, but a lot of you guys have less. And let's say, what can I do? How can I use perspective to sort of compensate for it? So I have less work, and if you know me, you know that I actually hate having very little to do, and I actually start spiraling out of control a little bit, and that's why I need something to keep me busy. So what I have done for myself is I started training. So I started English language teacher training, and this keeps me busy. This keeps me very, very busy actually. And so this is how I can use my perspective. So I can look at the situation and think, okay, maybe I don't really need more work. Maybe I should focus on something else. Maybe I should focus on training, on creating a course for you guys. So not doing paid work, but doing something for free, or taking my qualification a bit further. So this is what I can do, and my strength in perspective can help me with that. Okay, and let's say you have social intelligence as your number one strength. And social intelligence means that you are very good with people. You know how to interact with people very well, and you thrive in social situations. And the thing is that right now you don't have a lot of social situations, right? And let's say you have less work. So you have less work. This is the same situation. What you can do is you can create video chats, for example, with your friends and family. You can also create a podcast and maybe invite some of people you admire, or people who fight for the thing that you think is important for society or for your own sake. Actually, it's also fine. And as you're good at communicating with people, you can lead the conversation. You can discuss something. You can interview people. You can just provide your support. For example, if you're not a trained mental health professional or a life coach or a different type of coach, you can just lend your ear, let's say, to different people, so you can listen to them, you can talk to them, and a lot of people, especially those who are alone right now, they would love somebody to talk to. So you can do that if you're good at social intelligence. Then if you are good at, let's say you're very curious. So your curiosity is number one character strength for you. You can learn more about the world. You have Wikipedia, you have other encyclopedias, you can learn a new language, you can maybe research something on academia, or maybe, well, you can read the articles there, or maybe you can take a course in let's say, well, whatever your interest is. Let's say you are interested in lettering, and yeah, you can definitely take a course and learn something new about it, and you will still keep yourself busy, because while you have less work and you want to keep yourself busy, you will keep yourself busy this way, and your curiosity will help you in the long run, so you have this time to spend on something that you're curious about. So I hope this is more or less understandable, and I think it's pretty straightforward. Hopefully you do too. And this is how you can lead with your strong sides, strong characteristics, because otherwise, if you are trying to lead with the weak ones, then it is going to be harder. And what I want you to do at home, actually, well, not at home, you are at home anyway. So please write down in the comments below what is your number one strength, and how you can use it in 3 different situations. So please write down the situation and how you can use your strength. Then again, the situation and how you can use the strength. And for the third situation, the same story. This will help you analyze how you can use your strength in the situations that possibly bother you in your life right now. I will see you very, very soon when we will discuss the second and the third strength. So see you guys later. I hope your anxiety is diminishing, decreasing every day a little bit, at least. So I will see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.